So we have Chef Arianna here.
Hi.
Hey, baby. What do you have going on? What are
I'm
you
making some noodles. I need to
Ooh.
go ahead and show them.
Let's see what you got there. Oh.
All you gotta do is just poke it down and mix it.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah, we gotta let that one boil a lot more. That one's really hard.
Some Maruchan chicken flavor.
Yeah, this is my favorite soup, and I always eat it at my grandma's house. It's delicious. And look, I got my cute little apron on.
Oh yeah.
Huh? So I don't get my hair dirty.
Nice. I think you're like the cutest chef in the world. So beautiful.
Thanks, Bob.
And you make the best soups.
Well, this is actually my first time.
Yeah, but you've helped me before a little bit.
Do I start mixing it?
Let's let it heat up really good. And then we can go ahead and add the flavor.
Okay, let me just make sure. Gonna poke a little more to feel the hard parts.
Okay.
Alright, we're good. I don't feel any hard parts. So we're gonna let this boil a little bit more and get more hotter. And then we'll check on you guys soon, and then we're gonna start stirring.
Perfect.
Mix. Welcome back. And I forgot to say Merry Christmas. And for the Christmas holiday, I got this candy cane with my mom. She got something else that's not that much Christmassy, but yeah, they're cute. They're candy cane.
Nice.
And now the noodles have been boiling more, as you could see the bubbles. So that means it's time to put the seasoning. I can tell,
Okay.
because that makes the noodles like more flavory and goodness and yummy.
That's right,
Are
baby.
these the same?
Yes. So we're gonna add both of them.
This
Go
one
ahead.
looks more yellow. Do I just sprinkle it?
No, just put it all in the middle. Then we're gonna move it around.
Dang, that's hot.
Make sure you get all of it. Mm-hmm.
Wait, let me put that down.
There we go.
By the way, a customer told me that they wanted noodles, so I'm gonna make the noodles.
All right.
Do you want to pour
Oh,
more?
real chef, huh?
Yeah.
Running
the
a
way-
restaurant.
You're the customer.
Mm-hmm. And I want this. Looks good.
You are gonna have it. Ah, hot. That definitely feels a lot hotter than fire. I don't even know what fire feels like, but fire has to feel like that.
Ready.
So we're back, and we put some more seasoning, and we already did a taste test, as you guys saw. Now we're gonna put cilantro inside the noodles to make it more yummy.
Move that around.
I taste some of the seasoning. And then we can try another taste test.
You want to do it right now?
I think we need to mix it just a little bit for the seasoning.
All right.
Jeez, that's hot. I'm gonna do a taste test, so yeah.
Let's see how it is.
Perfect.
Awesome.
It's just the right amount of seasoning.
Perfect. All right. All right. I think
those-
this is ready.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Don't leave the spoon there.
Wow.
You okay?
I think I got too much seasoning in my mouth. I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right, can you cover your mouth? Thank you. You trying to eat this soup? We don't need your
It's
cup
not
no
for
longer.
me, it's for the customer.
That's me.
Yeah.
Yeah. So cute. All right, let's eat this soup. They
Well,
looking
basically,
good over here.
he's gonna share it with me because I made it for him, right? Ah, don't try right now. You're gonna burn your tongue. Tongue's
Girl,
gonna
I'm
turn
about
on.
to tear this soup up. What you talking about?
We're gonna share. Okay. Here comes the airplane. Can you blow this for me? So this is the final touch, and this is what this noodles looks like. Subscribe, turn on there's no notifications bell, and please subscribe to Rainbow Fans. Bye. Peace.